Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our practice time 14A. Here you have given that in practice time 14A, problem number first, calculate speed if part A, distance is equal to 480 kilometer and time is equal to 6 hours. Okay, so from here you know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance given that 480 kilometer upon time given that 6 hours. So 6 8 is 48, 6 0 is 0 kilometer per hour. This is the speed. Okay, so this is your solution. You have to solve the four part of this question also. Now again, problem number 2. Here given that calculate distance if. You have to find out distance. Here given that speed is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. 80 kilometer per hour and time is equal to, time given that 2 into 2.5 hour. So distance is equal to speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. From here you find that 80 kilometer per hour your speed, and also here given that time is equal to 2 to the power 1 5 by 2 hour. 5 by 2 hour. So here hour cancel. Now 80 kilometer into 5 by 2. So 2 4 is 8, 2 0 is 0. So 40 into 5 kilometer. So distance is equal to 200 kilometer. This is your answer. Okay. Now from here, problem number 3. You have given that here distance and speed, and you have to find out time. You have to calculate time. So here in problem number A, distance is equal to, given that distance is equal to 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer and speed is equal to, given that 10 kilometer per hour. So you have to calculate time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. From here we get time is equal to distance given that 6 kilometer, speed given that 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, so kilometer cancel. So time taken is equal to 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6 hour. This is your solution. Okay, and you have to also solve here 1 2 3 all the parts of the problem, and next day we will start solving our problem 4th to 16. Okay, now time is over. We stop our writing. Thank you, children.